Hello everyone, welcome back to CS Concepts. Today in this video, let's start Python Advanced Concepts and the topic is decorators. Let's get started. Decorators. In general, who is a decorator? Yes, a person who decorates something. Fine. In Python, decorator is a design pattern that allows a user to add new functionality to an existing object without modifying its structure. Okay, and here you can see the definition. Decorators are a very powerful and useful tool in Python, modifies the behavior of function or class, allows us to wrap another function in order to extend the behavior of the wrapped function. But before knowing more about decorators, let us understand some concepts that will come in handy in learning the decorators. Functions. In Python, functions are called as first-class objects, meaning functions in Python can be used or passed as arguments. Let us know the properties. Function is an instance of the object type. We can store the function in a variable. Okay, let me tell what is meant by instance. Instance is an object that belongs to a class. For instance, a list is a class in Python. Okay, when we create a list, we have an instance of the list class. Fine. Now, second property, we can store the function in a variable. Then we can pass the function as a parameter to another function. Then we can return the function from a function. Then we can store them in data structures. Now let us consider few examples for better understanding. Example number 1. In this example, let's see how to treat functions as objects. Here in this example, I have created a function greet. Okay, then I have assigned function greet to a variable. See, this will not call the function. Okay, instead it takes the function object referenced by greet and creates a second name pointing to it, wish. Okay, now let's see the output. Yes, you got the output. Now let's take another example, and this is example number 2. In this example, let's see how to pass the function as an argument. Okay, here in this example, you will have 3 functions. Function A, B and greet. Okay, fine. Now in this example, the greet function, the last one, the greet function takes another function as a parameter. A and B in this case, okay, and the function passed as an argument is then called inside the function greet, and you will get the output as, let me run, yes, hello in uppercase. Since we have given in function A return text dot upper, so we will get hello, then we will get hello in lowercase. Again in function B we have given return text dot lower. Okay, example number 3. In this example, let's see how to return functions from another function. Look at the code. I have created a function inside of another function. One is create adder and the other one is adder, and then I have written the function created inside. Okay, let's see the output. Okay, you will get 35 as output. If any doubts, let me know in the comment section. So far, we have discussed all these 3 examples. First one, we have seen how to treat functions as objects, then how to pass functions as an argument, and we came to know how to return functions from another function. Okay, all these 3 examples depict the important concepts that are needed to understand decorators. Now let us know more about decorators.